welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you the very last of the Jeffree Star Spring 2021 mystery boxes. This is the 420 friendly version. I did unbox the other 3 variations in a previous video. I'll link it down below, and I'll also put one of those little iCards up here in case you want to check that one out first. I unboxed those other 3 variations before this one because I knew those 3, there was so much product there that that video was going to be a long one, and it of course ended up being 30 minutes long. I tried to edit out as much as I could and it still ended up being 30 minutes. So I'm glad I decided to split this one up into a different video. So we're just going to be focusing on this one today. There is also a giveaway in that video that is live. I'm giving away a Blue Blood palette and the Jawbreaker palette to 2 people. And the giveaway is still going on right now. It hasn't closed yet. And just like in that video, there is going to be a giveaway inside of this video as well. I think we'll just discuss that at the end though. See if we can add anything from this box to it, but I already have some items set aside for that. But yeah, so let's talk deets about this guy. So this is the premium 420 version. There was the regular premium box. They were the exact same price, the same amount of items, same value. The only difference is that this one is supposed to be, you know, 420 friendly, meaning Mary Jane, you know, all the code words here. I don't know what YouTube allows you to say about that anymore. I think they've gotten very strict. So we're just gonna reference it to 420. If someone doesn't know what it is, ask in the comments and I'll fill you in. But yeah, so same stuff. This was $70. It's supposed to come with 6 items and it's supposed to have $148 in value. And let's get these baby scissors out and just slice and dice our way in. Whew. There she is. Green theme. Sneak peek. So let's see, what 6 items do we get in here? Right up top, it looks like we got another tie-dye hat. We did get one in the previous box, but what's different here is the Jeffree Star logo. Hold on, let me grab the other hat. Got it. I won't spoil anything else from the other box, but I just want to show you guys. So it's the same tie-dye hat, but the difference is the other one comes with a regular logo. This one comes with the like 420 logo. So you get to see the difference right about there. But everything else is exactly the same. It's just the logo in the front that's different. But yeah, that was the first item. Let's go in for our second. In our second item, we got another pop socket. Let me bring it a little bit closer. So we got a green themed J-Star leaf design here. Cute little design. I already know exactly who is gonna want this one. But I mentioned it before, I'm not the biggest fan of getting the pop sockets in the mystery boxes. I don't know, I just feel like it's a little bit overdone now. It's been almost every single mystery box. They've switched it up a little bit with some stickers and enamel pins, but I don't know. I just kind of feel like I want to see something a little bit different. And our third item is a lip balm. It is the Stoned lip balm. I'm gonna go ahead and pop an image here on the screen of what this one looks like outside of this packaging here. I'm gonna leave it sealed. I've gotten a few different lip balms by Jeffree Star, so I wanna spread the lip balm love and give this away to someone. But this is just gonna be a sheer lip balm. It's got sativa seed oil inside of it that is supposed to give you that boost of hydration. It is supposed to be a very hydrating ingredient and have some antioxidants in it too. I've looked into it a little bit here. So yeah, I mean, sounds really good for a lip balm. Definitely on theme with today's mystery box too. But back into the box here for our fourth product. I see something else that is green. This time we got ourselves the Glouse. This is the shade Peach price tag. This one's also got this green packaging, so that means it was from the Blood Money collection too. The first lip balm was also. And she's gonna be a sheer peachy toned tinted lip gloss that has green sparkles in it. Lovely packaging too. I love when the theme goes with the top of the gloss too. So you get this nice green. I'm actually wearing one of the lipsticks that I got from the Blood Money bundle. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this on top. Let me grab a mirror. Boom. Oh, wow. With this base underneath, you really see those green sparkles. It just made my completely matte liquid lipstick go to a metallic. That's pretty. I think with that green base underneath, it just made it pop out so much more. I feel like, especially seeing it on the hand here, if you have something a little bit lighter underneath, it's gonna be a much more toned down version, but with that different base underneath. Really made it pop there. Okay, but that was the 4th item now, so let's grab our 5th. This one sounds like it has a spring in it. Oh, I know what this is. Hold up. So this is gonna be their baby pink grinder. Doesn't even have any picture or really anything on the outside packaging here. Kind of boring to show. There we go. So much prettier to look at this. So this is the baby pink grinder. Oh, look at that. You got your little mini scraper to remove any of the like resin that builds up. So you got this like flat edge to scoop it. But yeah, so that's what that one looks like. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with grinders, but I knew Jeffree Star sold these on his website, so I was thinking like, okay, those are probably gonna be inside of this 420 friendly box. And sure enough, they were. But now we just got the last item inside of the box, and I mean, look at that packaging. You know what this is. I see the Jeffree Star money tissue paper here, and you know it's the Blood Money palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that this palette is in here. I did not buy it when it released because I was like, you know what, it may be in a mystery box one day. And it sure enough is. So here she is. And I mean, this is just the outside like carton. Let's get into the actual palette here. I mean, really nice attention to detail there. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this. It's gorgeous. Let me remove this. And then, okay, it took me a second to figure out how to open this one, but you just take this little knob and you slide it to the right, and then you're supposed to be able to open it up. So here we have it, the Blood Money palette here. And I love the different like themed, like embossing pressed stamps or whatever they're called that they stamp the shadows with. I love the theme that he always does with it. So you got like the kind of like bank robber mask there. Got a dollar sign down here, a bank vault door. Got the money flying away. I believe that's a like debit card stamp there. Such cute details. Time to swatch. Wowee, wow, wow, wow. So there are all 18 shades swatched out. There are 10 shades that are matte. There's one matte with a sparkle. There are 6 metallics. And there's one extreme wet formula, which is the Money Heist shade. That's right up in here. And it's also the one that has the robber mask stamped in it. It's such a bold palette with so many colors in it. I'm just so excited about this one. I have extremely high hopes about it because Corellia actually bought this palette when it first launched. So I got a little sneak peek at this palette here from her, and she's been telling me all about it, how much she loves it, how much she loves using it. So I mean, extremely high hopes with this palette here. And what an item to just wrap it all up on, because that was the last one for our box here. So it ended up being the palette, our grinder, the lip gloss, the lip balm, the pop socket, and the hat here. These were our 6 items for the 420 premium box. And of course, I was keeping track here of the value as we were going through here. Like usual, the only things that I wasn't really able to determine a value for was the pop socket and the hat, since those ones are like the limited edition items specifically for the mystery boxes. So without those 2 items, the total value I can add up is $113. So the proposed value was $148. So we are left with $35 left over, and typically the hat is around $25 on Jeffree Star's website for a normal one. So if we go with the normal price of the hat being $25, pop socket then being left with like $10 in value. Yeah, I mean, it does kind of add up. Like a typical pop socket is about $10. We did have that iffy thing happen with the other premium box, the other version. That one technically I don't think hit the value mark. Now that I'm comparing this one to that one had one different item in it that was less value, and it gave a leftover amount of $23 for the pop socket that I was supposed to be. So that one, I feel like now seeing this, I'm like, oh yeah, they definitely kind of mixed up maybe putting an item in there or something like that, because that pop socket is no way near $23 for that one. So now that I'm comparing this one to the old one, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's the other premium box in the other video. Now I know that that one was off in the value. And I mean, honestly, just comparing the two premium boxes, I would 100% recommend this premium box over the other one. This one had such good items in here. I mean, even if you aren't like a smoker, I mean, they really only had like one specific themed item here, which is the grinder for that. The other items were all from the Blood Money collection, which I think was awesome. So yeah, I'm completely pumped about this box. This one was a total winner for me. No repeating items? I mean, what is happening? Can we just have that happen every time? Oh yeah, but I almost forgot here. So I did say that there is gonna be a giveaway inside of today's video, and let me show you guys what I'm putting together. So I'm gonna be taking the lip balm from today's box here, the Stoned Lip Balm, the Jeffree Star Strawberry Gum Lip Scrub, and I'm also gonna be giving away this really funky looking like makeup bag purse item. This one was so unique and cool. I was like, you know what, this would be awesome to give away. This is what she looks like. Yeah, those are gonna be the items for this video's giveaway. If you want to double your chances and enter in the other giveaway, I will have it linked down below so you can go over there and check that one out. And it's gonna be the same thing as always. In order to be entered into the giveaway, you just gotta be following me here on YouTube, follow my Instagram, and then leave me a comment down below here with your Instagram handle. That way, if you are chosen, I'm able to message you on Instagram. Yeah, just super simple, super easy, and again, I'll be picking someone 2 weeks from today's date. Good luck to everybody, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!